Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a topic and subscription in PubSub in Google Cloud. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So first we search for pub, select the PubSub, we press create topic, my first topic, then create. When we create a topic, it automatically create a subscription. We can see that it's my first topic and then tab. We can also create another one subscription, so my second subscription. We can select the delivery type, pull, push. We can write to BigQuery or save the data to cloud storage. So for example, pull is when subscribers manually request the message. And push is when this Google Cloud will push automatically the messages to your subscription as soon as they receive a message in the topic. For example, when we select push, we need to specify endpoint URL where the PubSub will send the messages, something like that. The endpoint need to be publicly accessible. So we can enable authentication, payload unwrapping, etc. In our case, we will select pull. So when we need a message, we just pull it. We can select the retention day. Expiration period. Then we have acknowledgement deadline. 10 seconds is when, for example, if you receive the message, you need mark as read that message during the first 10 seconds. If not, that message will be sent you one more time or until you acknowledge that message. You can create a subscription filter and many other things. So this is our subscription. We can see topics, subscription, snapshots. So snapshots capture the state of subscription at specific time. You later can replay or recover messages from that point. They are very useful for message replay, data recovery, or testing. Then we have schemas. They enforce like structure of the messages, like for example, data types, the data format, etc. This part is deprecated and it's not recommended to use. This is our first topic. We can see the subscription for this topic, snapshots, metrics, details, messages. We can manually publish a message. Let's try. It will be one message. Message will be hello. Publish. And now we can pull the messages. Because if you remember, when we created this subscription, we selected the delivery type pull. So we will receive the messages only when we pull them. And also you remember I told you about the acknowledge messages. For example, we pull the messages and we can see our message. So if I don't acknowledge this message, we had only 10 seconds for that. The second time that I pulled the messages, I will receive this message for second time. You can see it. So if we do acknowledge the message, we will not receive that message anymore. We can also trigger a cloud function. So for example, we can create a cloud function. We need to select the topic which our function will be triggered. For example, when we receive the message in this topic, my first topic, our function 1 will be triggered. We need to rent all permissions. Then we select the runtime. In our case, it will be Python. And then this is the code for the function. So it will show the message that we sent. It's still deploying. Let's wait a little. So now it's ready. And if we go to subscriptions, we can see our new subscription. And we can see that delivery type is push. So when there a new message in this my first topic, the pops up Google Cloud will push the message and run our function. So if we see the details, we can see the pushing point. And this pushing point is for our mm, mm, function one. We also can check our function. This is our function. We can see our source code. And if you see for the trigger, the event provider is cloud pops up. So hopefully this video was useful about pops up in Google Cloud. And if you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.